A U.S. appeals court panel on Wednesday seemed split over a Texas law that would empower state authorities to arrest and prosecute migrants and asylum seekers suspected of illegally crossing the U.S.-Mexico border. The hearing before a panel of the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals in New Orleans is the latest in a whipsaw of judicial decisions about the contentious law. It comes a day after the U.S. Supreme Court ruled the law could go into effect, while challenges made their way through the appeals process. But just hours later, the three-judge appeals panel scheduled an emergency hearing and reversed its own earlier ruling, resulting in the state law again being blocked from taking effect. SB 4 would make it a state crime to illegally enter or re-enter Texas from a foreign country, and would allow state judges to order that violators leave the United States, with prison sentences up to 20 years for those who refuse to comply. The Biden administration has sued to block the law, arguing the federal government has sole jurisdiction over immigration and enforcement. The two judges who spoke during Wednesday's hour-long arguments split sharply over whether SB 4 improperly interferes with federal powers. The dispute over the Texas law is one in a series of legal battles between Republican state officials and the Biden administration over Texas's ability to police its border with Mexico. It remains to be seen if the appeals court panel will allow SB 4 to take effect, pending the outcome of a challenge by the administration of Democratic President Joe Biden and civil rights groups.